Give it a good shake, brother. Dude, I feel so bad for Matt. He's so low, and I keep forgetting that. I take him places where there's just like nothing but bumps and canyons to go through. It's hilarious, but I also feel bad at the same time. Here there are! Oh, bro, his exhaust is like almost on the ground. I'm dead. So we just made special plans to go to this car wash, and it's fucking gone. I just wanted the car to be clean.
So wait for it now.
I guess we're just gonna wait on Chris. Wait here and then roll out. I don't know. Can't really wash it. Got no water. It's dry as fuck over here.
Not too shabby, no power steering, you feel me?
I know. That's because you're so fucking strong. You can't even fit you in the damn camera, bro. You're so big. Howdy. To the mountains. I don't know why they wanted the lame-ass Volkswagen to lead the crew. I don't get it. So I'm leading everybody. So now I can't get shots of them going past me. Or maybe I can. I don't know. We'll see. The point of this adventure is just to go to the mountains together and have fun. Yeah, that's pretty much it. What the hell did he just fucking avoided a damn puddle again? What the fuck?
When my heart was on the ground, I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stopped.
So while I have time to talk about this, I want to say thank you for all the support in the last video that I put out, the one with Matt's Integra. That did surprisingly well for what I'm used to. Also, I have seen that there are some new subscribers, so first of all, thank you for coming to the channel. I hope that you stay, and I hope that you find the content interesting. What I do want to hear from the people that are new is, why did you come to this channel? Was it for gaming? Was it for the cars? I mean, like, what video brought you here is really what I'm like. What kind of video did you see that made you subscribe to the channel? That way I can kind of know like what you guys are more interested in. Ultimately, it's my choice as to what I put on the channel, but it's also helpful for me to know what my audience likes. A little fun fact, if you are ever in the Hamilton area in Georgia, this has got to be the coolest subway you'll ever see. It's really nice. If you're here, come check it out. What are those? Ray-Bans? Same shit you had yesterday. These. Fresh pickup. Fuck yeah. Matt, here you go. Trade up.
Nah, bro, you gotta do like this.
Dude.
About no style, dog.
Let me get a close up. Pictures are done.
Gang, gang.
Fuck yeah.
Content, bro.
This is nice. Yeah, we stopped on the side for a minute to get his little flyby video. Give him a little something to post. Dude, the mountains are crazy. I wish I brought my GoPro with me so I can get some point of view driving footage because, dude, we were hauling ass. Oh my gosh. I don't condone that, by the way. Driving fast in the mountains is very dangerous. You could fall off the mountain and die. So if you do it with caution. That's all I'm gonna say. Just waiting for him to find a place to turn around. We don't know if there is one. There's definitely one that way. That's why we chose that way to start. We don't know if there's one that way.